Write as a single fraction in simplest form this particular expression. And so we have m over 6 minus 2 minus m all over 5. Notice that we have 6 here and we have 5 here. These denominators are not the same. So what we want to do is we want to ensure that our denominators are the same when we are subtracting these two fractions. And so in order to do that, we will find the LCM of 5 and 6. We know that the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and the list goes on, right? So it continues. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and the list goes on and on. But the LCM of 5 and 6 is definitely 30. And so we ask ourselves, okay, what times 6 gives us 30? Well, 6 times 5 is 30. Whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So we say 5 times m. Next, we say, okay, what times 5 gives us 30? Well, 5 times 6 gives us 30. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top as well. And so we have 2 minus m multiplied by 6. Next, we say 5 times 6, which is 30. 5 times m, which is 5m. Then we say 5 times 6, which is 30. And we say 6 times 2 minus m. Notice that the denominators are the same, and so that's great. Now let's operate on the numerators. So we have 5m minus 6, open bracket, 2 minus m. We distribute. We say negative 6 multiplied by 2, and we say negative 6 multiplied by negative m. Now, what does that give us when we multiply them? Negative 6 multiplied by 2 is a negative 12, and negative 6 multiplied by negative m is positive 6m. And that's because a negative multiplied by a negative is a positive. Next, we group the like terms, and so we say 5m plus 6m is definitely, both of them have the same, both of them have m, so we group them together. So we have 5m plus 6m, and we have the negative 12, which is just a number. We have it by itself. So 5m plus 6m is definitely 11m. And so we have 11m minus 12 all over 30. We have 11m minus 12 all over 30. And that's the final answer to this particular question.